That hit different, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or on social media. That hit different. It's a modern expression that has gained popularity for its unique way of describing experiences. So, let's get into it and find out why "that hit different" is not just your ordinary phrase. The phrase, "that hit different," is a contemporary expression used to describe an experience, thing, or situation that evokes a particularly strong or unique emotional response, different from what is typical or expected. It implies that something stands out because of its impact, often in a positive way, but it can also be used in diverse contexts. For example, if someone says, "This song hits different after the breakup," they mean that the song has a deeper emotional impact or resonates with them more profoundly after experiencing a breakup, more so than it would have under different circumstances. The phrase, "that hit different," has its roots in African American Vernacular English, AAVE, a dialect of English spoken primarily by many African Americans. Over time, it has been adopted into mainstream English, especially among younger generations, through music, social media, and pop culture. This widespread usage has helped the phrase gain traction and become a part of everyday language for many people around the globe. Using "that hit different" in a sentence is quite straightforward. It's typically used as a reaction to something that has made a significant impression on you. Here are a few examples to illustrate its versatility. After a tough workout, drinking water just hits different. Trying a new food, "Wow, this dish hits different. I've never tasted anything like it." Revisiting a childhood movie, "Watching this movie now just hits different." It brings back so many memories. Remember, the phrase can be used in both positive and negative contexts, depending on the situation and the emotional response it elicits. The phrase, "that hit different," doesn't just stop at its basic meaning. It has also inspired variations and is often played with creatively, especially in memes or social media content, reflecting its adaptability and the playful nature of language evolution. This adaptability showcases the dynamic nature of language and how expressions evolve to capture new sentiments or experiences. We hope this exploration of "that hit different" has been enlightening and adds a fun, expressive phrase to your English vocabulary. Language is always evolving, and phrases like this one enrich our conversations, allowing us to express complex emotions and experiences in simple, relatable terms. So next time you encounter something that truly stands out to you, you'll have the perfect phrase to describe how it feels. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting with English in all its diversity and richness.